2 to 3, come on. Hey, Shillong badan punya 3, come on. You go. I'm the one there. You see me? Yeah, it's me there.
Nah, that one from
1 to the 2 to the 3, come on.
You go.
Hey, 1 to the 2 to the 3,
You
come on.
want to go down. Show them.
Welcome back again, guys. This is your African Boys Bob TV.
I don't need to
Wahala Boy TV.
I don't need to
Hasco TV. This is main family TV. Yes, guys. So today we're back again, your African boys. Myself, Gabsgabitv from South Sudan. That is Africa. Welcome, brother. Tell them.
From Sudan.
Yeah, you already know him, guys.
Yeah.
We are new.
Sudan.
Yeah.
From Sudan.
Yeah, from Sudan. This is Bob, man. It's from Meghalaya.
No, I'm from Sudan. I'm from Africa, West Africa.
You have any proof?
Yeah, I have.
Show them.
Show them.
This proof. The
This is the proof.
the big proof, guys.
This is the proof that we are African, man.
How?
Yeah, this is the proof.
The real proof. The real proof.
But you know the truth? I'm from Meghalaya. I'm Khasi. You want the proof? See what I'm wearing. This is how we wear it. This is how we do it in Khasi, Meghalaya, Shillong, North East. Love you guys. Back again. Yeah. So today we are going to react to PRAH. This is suggested music video, guys. Actually, we are reacting from DJ Ryan. There is a lot of the music here, so hope he will not give us a strike or copyright in that video. So, what's up, my brother DJ Ryan? If you're watching, kindly show some love to your African brothers. Don't take our video down because we are soon coming from Africa to Northeast Meghalaya, Shillong. Okay, and Sim Jonga.
I'm on my way to Meghalaya.
Yes, you want to know our favorite musician? Tell them your favorite musician from Khasi. One
Himself.
Wanjop himself. Tell them the favorite girl from favorite singer.
I forget.
Remind him.
The name is very hard. The name is very difficult.
It's my big dad.
West Meghalaya, I think that's one.
Yeah.
You are useless, guys. You are useless.
West Khasi, Hara.
West Khasi Kara. Oh, he's speaking. We reacted to West Khasi Kara, guys. Go and check that video. We also reacted to
I know, guys, but I
female
forget.
cyber, guys. We have Ailey, Black Man,
Sakola.
Scholar, something like that, right?
I do remember.
Yes, guys, go check all this video without wasting time. Let's do PRAH.
PRAH to the world.
DJ Ryan, bro, show us the good video.
Show them.
Videographer and editing by Senpa.
So I got to go down.
DJ Ryan, the guy in the center. I think he's famous. He's famous in the place.
Hey guys, mitas ni ngantem ko. K.N.G.C College. Baga smokeman, ado kata makaya.
This was in the college.
Sudah K.N.G.C dengan smokeman. Baga ni kada kelas year jonga sik am 6 semester, ada BA 6 semester. Baga ni kelas year. So when rock today enjoy bagi channel K.N.G.C bagi dewan kelang cika. So let's rock, let's enjoy today with DJ Ryan.
Let's go, bro. Let's do it, man. Let's do it. The VPP.
Kajing sensyar, babet igwa, ben kuno uzen rom.
The pajama.
Kome shimya upra, kawang bet bum.
Yes. See the guy. People already started dancing.
Babet igwa,
How do you dance this song, guys?
uzen rom. Kukon samla, ben chit yu dong mi man. Kajing kermian. Gijing sama ngin
1 to the 2 to the 3, come on.
Wandering kona
Hey. Badem sini aja salut.
Three, come on.
You go, I'm there, I'm the one there. You see me?
Not you.
Yeah, it's me there.
Nah, that one from me.
One to the two to the three. Come on.
Close to you.
Yeah, that's my brother right there too.
Karidi Benya laka tenrai Kinong yalam Yalam dari Ladi ban pen temai Tang shu bakla mentah Kacai benrong lat yam Wai ye shi say Oleh soho Gidoi lai tiu sembe Come on.
You go. Wanjop Sohkhlet. Sana mana auta. Sana mana auta.
Maisha ne
Auta. Gado ibu auta. If you don't like auta. If you don't like auta.
Three, come on.
You go.
Bumper clap.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
One to the
People
two
love
to the
this.
three.
You are about to go down. Show them, show them. Yeah, man, yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Ooh. I think people love this song. See, all the people are dancing. All the people, everyone is dancing.
Even a
No,
man.
if you know chairs in this place, bro.
Yeah, they don't need
If
chair there.
Yeah, you don't need chair, man. All the time, like.
This song doesn't need chair, man. This song mean a lot to them, guys. Just tell us what does it mean, opera.
We are curious to know. We are
Yeah,
curious.
what is the deep feeling or deep story or meaning behind this song, guys? Let us know, guys.
Yeah.
Just tell them one thing, what to do.
Like, subscribe, share.
What do you want us more to do? Huh? Just show your love and wait.
You should support us to do more reaction, more videos.
Yes,
Don't
guys.
forget, guys.
Bob is talking.
Yeah.
Give some suggestion
Please,
and
guys.
make sure your love is very important, your support, so that we'll keep. If you're showing interest, comment, liking the video, we'll know that people are there, they love what we are doing, so that we keep reacting to Khasi music, videos. We have a lot of videos already out there. Check Wanjop, the khasigirls, so many music we reacted. Subscribe, guys, put on the bell. Love from Africa.
love.
Tell them something. We want them to tell them one word from any word from any Khasi word that you know, tell them, then we'll say goodbye.
Okay. so
Anyone from the music we reacted.
Bruce.
I'll
Huh?
start with you.
Music, allow what you better reaction. What is the first one?
I forget me.
Tell them.
Mensiu. Mensiu.
Mensim?
Mensim.
Mensim.
Yeah, my
Heart.
Because I enjoy his music. I enjoy it.
How do they say a girl, lady in Khasi? They say
So here we are. Go.
Yeah, I know, but I forget.
Conte.
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 Hey, Conte.
You know
Conte.
that?
We know Conte. Doi Doi.
You know that-
Shynnam. Relax, bro. Like, subscribe.
Bye bye.